Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Before you attempt to do something like this on your own, do your homework, do your research. Because one of the main reasons why I haven't been able to record everything that I'm doing is because I have no idea what I'm doing. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, but I'm mixing up my putty, guys. This is the polyfill, and this is what I'm going to be putting on top of the fiberglass matting that I just laid down. This is going to cover up all the little holes. Remember, use this video as a entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional fiberglass guy. I've never went to fiberglass school. No one in my family knows how to fiberglass. And this is something I just learned off YouTube. So just because you see me doing it doesn't mean it's the right way, guys. Do your research. Well, guys, like the saying goes, there's always something. Welcome to Miami. Alright guys, so we're picking up our new trailer. We're at AAA Marine here in Miami, and they just finished up my new custom made trailer 2021. Looking amazing, guys. Say hi to YouTube.
Hope you're enjoying your trailer.
Yeah, bro, thank you. Out with the old, in with the new. I donated my old trailer to a jet ski rental company for free. They're taking it for free, and now I have this beautiful thing. Babe, move out of the way, please. Now I have this beautiful trailer.
Are you sleeping there or what?
She wants to sleep on the trailer.
Sleeping on top?
No, babe. But it is beautiful. Got my brand new trailer from AAA Marine, and I highly recommend them, guys. This is built to order. They custom made it. We still might have to change these bunks because I want the boat to sit nice and low, but I didn't want to put the low ones just in case they're too low. But it's a little walk around, guys. My brand new 2021 trailer. You can sleep on it. I'll sleep inside.
So we sleep right there and you like this and we break it in.
Yeah, right now. Here's a little update on the boat. She's upside down still and she's painted. I'm not 100% happy with how the bottom paint came out because I thought it was gonna be glossy. It ended up coming out to be matte black. But I'm gonna polish it up. I'm gonna wet sand it today or tomorrow. And we're gonna get her nice and smooth. Not sure how she looks like in camera, guys, but she's all right. A few things that I did was make sure that the bottom pads are straight. See here, I used the straight edge, and my pad is nice and straight, guys. So that's the most important thing. Another thing I did was these corners right here, they were all rounded off, right? So I made sure that now they're nice and straight. So the water, when it comes, it breaks off. And it doesn't have a suction, because when you round it off, it creates like a suction. So that's that. The bottom, all I gotta do is just wet sand it. I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow, and then we're gonna flip her upside down, or we're gonna flip her back upside up and put her on the brand new trailer. This is a short little video that I'm gonna post tonight, and hope you guys understand that I have no idea what I'm doing, and that's the reason why I haven't been recording as much, because I'm still learning. But it looks good. I'm excited to see how the boat's gonna look like on it with a fresh paint job and everything looking good. All right, guys, peace.